This is Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can formatting this paragraph right here in Microsoft Word. Right? There's a lot of things that we can actually do with paragraph right here. Yes, a whole lot of stuff we can actually do. The paragraph, right? We can actually click right here, or we can actually block the paragraph like that. I put in the mouse right here, along left side of the mouse and touchpad and do the same thing, right? Come right back up here, along the left side and mouse and touchpad and come like this. Right, and that's where you block the paragraph. Otherwise, you can come right up here, that's called the tab. And when you click on home, you come all the way here. Notice you say editing, and you click on select. When you click on select, you notice I block everything in the paragraph, right? There's another way you can actually block the paragraph, right? You put the cursor right up here, you're going to go on the keyboard, look for shift and control. And you're going to press it with them together. You're going to look for the arrow key. The arrow key will point to the right. When you press the arrow key to the right, you notice it that the paragraph going to the right. When you press it down one, you notice it going down like that. When you press it up one, you notice it come back up. Alright, so this is one that in Xperia can actually do that. And not only that, what you can do paragraph, now you can actually block this paragraph. And when you come right up here, notice it actually center right here, so to the left. So what if we want it to center in the middle? Right, we can click this right here. You notice it's center in the middle. But this one say what if right align? You can actually right align it by taking it over here. Click right here. Notice, and as we have justice by right here, so good. And that's exactly how that particular one work. Not only that, you can actually change the line spacing by coming right here and click. You notice these are different line spacing, 15.1, you notice. Each time I'll go down from each one, you notice it's getting a little bit wider. So if in case someone you want, you can actually use these as some additional feature, you notice, right? Very important right there. And not only that, you can actually come right here. You can actually color it just like that. Give it an highlight just like that, just the same. I can come right here, the sticker window here. I'm going to put a color for a border around it here. If you notice, when I put this right here, notice, just look right here. Alright, you notice, two corner. And if I come right here, you notice everything around it. Just like that, you notice, there's a border around it. You call this paragraph border. And if you want to remove this, you can just come right up here, so you can actually undo. If you want to change the font size right here, you can come right up here. You click, right? You notice, you can actually select, can change all of these font size here. Not only that, you can come right here and select the system. Come right here, so there's another option right here. You can actually come and change, you notice, right here. So these are some of the stuff that you can actually do with paragraph, right? You notice the word come up big. Not only that, but we can actually do with paragraph. You notice right here, the word video, right? So I can actually remove this video and turn it to something else. How we're going to do that? We're going to come right up here that said replace. I want to click. You notice when I click, it bring up this small dialog box here. I can put the cursor right here and I can actually move it. Right, if you notice right here, say find what? Let's replace with. Right, so we're going to move the video and put the document instead. Right, we're going to put document. Just the same. Right here. No. Let's move back the document from right here. It's a mistake right there. Right, like this. Let's put the video up here first. And then put the document right down here. I'm going to replace it with the document. You put it right here by clicking right here. Right, I'm going to put your document here. You notice I replace it with it. So if you notice right here, it's more option. Right here, so replace. Right here, so replace all of this. So find next and all of that, right? So very important. So I'm going to press replace. Notice when I press replace, you notice receipt highlight, and then press replace again. You notice it's changed to document right here. It's very important. So that's one step again that I can actually do within the particular document. You can also drop cap, right? The first letter. So if you notice the D document, I can take control key and block it. You notice only the alone block. You're going to come all the way up here. So to insert, and you click. When you click on insert, right, you're going to come all the way over here. Right, if you notice right here, it's a job cap. You click right there. You notice it's a job. You notice, pay close attention to the B right here. Right? If you notice right there, you notice the job right there, you notice this one on the right side of it, and you have more option right there. Do that. Right? Right? This is what you can actually do in paragraph. Just the same. But not only that, you can also insert photo and put it in the middle of the paragraph. How is it that possible? You can come right here by clicking on insert, go down right here to the device. Now this will take you directly to your desktop. So you want to come right to the left, you want to select right here, you want to select a photo. So we're going to click on this one. We're going to come all the way here to insert. I'm going to click on insert. All right, we're going to click this photo and we'll come right here to insert. Now if you notice, it's big right here, what we want to do, we can wrap text it. Right, so we're going to wrap text. We can come right here, right click. You notice the square, tight, throat and all of that. Right, and if I don't want that, I can actually right click on the photo itself. You notice I will see wrap text. But what I want to click on is the word tight because I want it in the middle of the paragraph. Now I click on it. Now you notice you haven't seen it. Alright, so what I wanted to do now, I want to size up the photo. So you're going to hold on the left side of the mouse and touch body. Notice, put the cursor right at the end right here. Come like that. So you're going to take your time and carry the photos. Alright, size it up. Carry it up much smaller. Alright, let me close back this right here. We're going to take your time. Carry it up just like that. Alright, you're going to take your time, scroll up. Alright, you want it in the middle. You notice you put it in the middle, the word that is style. Right? But not only that, you can come right up here where it says picture style. You can click a little pointer right here. You click a little pointer to pay close attention to the picture right here. Right? If you notice, when each time I put it on each one of these, you notice it actually change. Right? If I put it on this one, you notice the word right on it. Just like that. Right? So this is one of the things that you can actually do again. Right? And not only that, you can actually put a column right here in the document. Right? By coming up here to the layout tab. For some of you might say page layout, depending on the version of Microsoft. Yeah. All right, so this is right here. You can come right here. You notice right here you can put one. This is 2 column, 3 column. You can put left and right. When I mean left, you mean the thing we see right here. I click right, you to position yourself over here. So I want to click on 2. Right, if you notice this is 2 column, if I go up like this, I notice because a small amount of data is on it, and that's why. Let's go back again. So we're going to select the left. And notice when I select the left, now go back up and let you see. You notice most of it actually run you to the left. Alright, you can always go back and select one. Alright, there are several things you can actually do in your paragraph. So if you have learned something from this video, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.